So here we have this ODK computer desk with 3 drawers. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and there's everything that comes with it. There's the tabletop, a few shelves, some metal parts for the frame, 3 fabric drawers, some hardware and tools to put it together, and the instruction manual. Anyway, let's go ahead and put this thing together, and I'm going to use a timer to see how long it takes. Alright, and there we go, that was pretty easy, and it took just over half an hour. These 4 shelves, along with the top, are 1/2-inch laminated particle board. I got this one in this rustic brown color, and I think it looks great. Then the metal frame is a powder-coated square tube steel. These doors are pretty simple, they're just made of fabric and hardboard, so it is a little floppy, but that's pretty standard for Amazon furniture. Something I don't normally see though, is these handles are actually metal, and then the front is a thin veneer. Normally it's just a fabric that has a wood print on it. Anyway, there's 2 shelves on either side. It also has leveling feet, and then the back has X bracing, which makes this thing pretty sturdy. You can see it really doesn't wobble at all. And the top is also plenty strong enough to hold my weight. And yeah, overall, pretty nice little desk. Got a bit of storage, it's also really sturdy, and it looks great.